Hi, I am Sam. Welcome to Puppy Zone. I'm smart, cute, and fluffy. Invite me to your home.
That's right, after what feels like forever, I have a new piece of merch. The real star puppy of this channel, my dog Sam! These are super high quality. The pre-orders are starting right now. I'll leave the link in the description. Please check them out if you're so interested. It directly helps out the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Please check it out. I worked very hard on these. Thank you so much, guys. First, we're gonna wash, then we're gonna condition, then we're gonna deep condition, yes, twice. Then we're gonna blow dry, and then the straightening. Longtime followers of the channel know that I only straighten my hair once a year, so we gotta make it count. I must now reveal the state of affairs. Fluffnugget is once again in distress. It's winter. I have limited energy and I've been dealing with a lot. I'm doing a real life update on Patreon and just being really honest. But that's that. I washed my hair with the Melanin Black Soap shampoo. It's my favorite shampoo right now. And oh my God, my hair is so tangled. Now we go in with my favorite conditioner right now, Miel, I don't know, Meow Meow. And it helps with the tangles, but I don't go in with a tool just yet because I want to keep all my hairs. So I do a nice finger detangle with all the steam from the shower because these knots are so severe. I really dropped the ball on this wash and go. And, you know, you got to take your time. Wherever you drop the ball, you eventually have to pick it back up. So I just take my time finger detangling. This is the first time poor Fluffnugget has had any semblance of slip. So it's not her fault, it's my fault. Finger detangling has been a huge factor in thickening my hair. When you really take the time to remove the knot instead of ripping through it, it makes a huge difference. I can do a whole video on it if you want. Make sure you comment, okay? I don't know what's interesting. Next up is the deep conditioner. Yes, I condition and deep condition. I add hibiscus powder and amla powder, and sometimes I throw in some aloe vera. Today is one of those days. So I mix those together and check it out. This is the leave-in conditioner I'll be using. So I mix up my deep conditioner before entering the shower so it can really settle. And here we are, baby. And you know I have to do that heat. I go on low heat with my bonnet here because I cannot explain to you how much I want a giant black cloud for hair. I'm determined. Nothing will get in my way. The reason I use heat is so the deep conditioner can further penetrate the cortex of the hair and get to the core of it, moisturizing it literally from inside out. Makes a huge difference, especially in the winter. Yes, I am still on that Revlon gang. It's been years at this point, I believe. If you saw my last video, I'm trying to branch out. There will be a grudge match video against the Rev Air because the comments were just giving me so many awesome tips. You guys rock so much. I saw so many of them. I loved as many as I could. It was like an overwhelming outpour of information and like, you can do it, Danielle. And I'm like, that meant so much to me. But I filmed this before that video came out. Whoops. So as you can see, this Revlon brush is killing it.
You can do it, mama. Just keep going. High five.
As usual, I'm going to leave all of these in the description box if you're interested. Along with the Patreon link and the link to Sam plushies. Oh, Sam, she's so cute. Actually, something that's really just warmed my heart is seeing a lot of OG viewers checking back in just to see how I'm doing and being like, look at Fluffnugget. I'm like, yeah, I know. This is crazy. I have like 3 times the amount of hair I used to, and I know exactly what I did. If you're interested in a video like that, please let me know. Well, it's been about 6 hours of filming. Time for a Sam break. And now I have double the Sam, double the cute. Again, I'll leave this link in the description. Sam is always shading me. So smart, so smart. All right, folks, here we go. It's straightening time. Okay, so last year when I straightened my hair, if you haven't seen that video, check out the description box. This description box is gonna be lit for this video. Oh my goodness. But my eldest sister, not the one that you've seen on the channel, there is another. She was like, Danielle, I don't know what you thought was gonna happen. She was like, that was not a high enough heat. She has straight hair, so she would know. So I put it up to the highest setting, my TYMO, who I'm a big fan of. I put it up to the highest setting, and of course I used my Chi protection spray because, okay, seriously, I earned every hair on my head. I will not sacrifice even one. So I was pretty thorough about spraying the Chi, and maybe I should have gone a little lighter handed, but it's better to have too much protection than not enough. So please enjoy this straightening footage. I find footage like this very soothing, so I'm just gonna let it play out. Enjoy. Hello, I'm back. And look, it's the last section. I can't wait for the big reveal. I think I could have gone up in the heat. But look, I cannot believe I've tripled the amount of hair I have on my head. But guess what? Guess what?
Danielle, watch out!
So it rained. Yeah, the plan yesterday was to take Sam out to go potty, and then we come back, and the next day, which is today, I was planning on throwing this lovely flat iron through it after giving my hair just a break over the night, because I felt as though I wanted my hair straighter. I'm really trying to do a silk press, you guys. I just haven't had heat on my hair for so long. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I had to relearn how to wrap my hair. That worked pretty well. And then, as a good dog owner should, I took Sam out first thing after I washed my face and brushed my teeth. And the humidity from last night's rain took my hair literally from here, you saw it, to here. So Sam is covered in mud right now, so Sam Puppy will do. So I straighten my hair once a year, which is how I keep getting more and more hair. Like, remember in like 2018, for those who have really stuck with me, remember how much hair I had then? I have like easily 3 times the amount of hair I did back then.
And the reason I still have all this hair is because I always straighten my hair once a year.
I avoid heat so much, and even when I'm blowing out my hair on a more kind of regular basis, I use the low setting only, with an occasional high blast on my buckshots here. I mean, my hair still looks great. It's like really light, really stretched, obviously because I used a bunch of heat on it last night. Look at this mud child. What a mud child you are. Actual Sam is under this pillow, so this is her stand-in. This is her marker. Maybe in December, which it might be December when you're seeing this anyway, maybe for like Christmas, I'll straighten my hair for real, because it'll be cold, maybe, and I can use that to my advantage. So my hair will stay straight when I straighten it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the Sam the plush puppy. And they make a great addition to like all decor. They're so cute. I love you, Sam. Yeah, check them out. It would mean so much to me. It directly supports me and the channel. And I would love to share my sweet little star puppy with you. But this has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo. Star Puppy signing out. Say it with me now. Star Puppy! Oh! Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.